We're now fully into the busiest part of the real estate season here in Santa Clarita, but the market is showing some mixed signals. New listings were slightly lower over the past 14 days, with 161 new listings versus 168 in our last update. At the same time, the total number of homes and condos available for sale increased again, now up to 766 active listings compared to 746 previously. That's still nowhere near the levels we saw during the last major recession. For perspective, back in May of 2008, there were over 2,200 homes on the market locally. Existing home sales slowed slightly, with 116 closed sales versus 125 in our prior update. One area we're watching closely is the $700,000 to $1 million price range, what we often call the move-up buyer market. New escrows in that range dropped another 17%. Higher interest rates and high gas prices tend to impact these buyers the most. And when fewer move-up buyers purchase homes, it can also slow activity in the higher price ranges above $1 million. For now, prices overall appear generally stable to maybe just slightly softer. About 60% of recent sales closed at or above asking price, while 40% sold below asking price. We're also seeing more sellers reduce their asking prices before receiving offers. New listings are currently outpacing new sales, and the month's supply of homes increased to just over 3 months from 2.75 months in our last update. Median prices moved slightly higher in April, coming in at $812,475 compared to $799,900 in March, although still slightly below April of last year. Interest rates remain elevated overall, although VA and FHA financing continue to offer some very attractive opportunities, especially for veterans and first-time buyers. So, is now a good time to buy or sell? As I always say, the more important question is, are you living where you truly want to be living? Years go by fast. Waiting for the perfect time often means waiting much longer than expected. And here in Santa Clarita, despite how much prices have increased over the years, compared to many surrounding Los Angeles and Orange County communities, we still offer tremendous value, especially when you factor in the neighborhoods, schools, local city services, and overall quality of life. The secret may finally be getting out.